Fine. So I will just let me log in into SAP. Okay. Now, are you able to see the SAP?
Yeah, yes.
Are you able to see, guys? SAP
Yes,
screen?
visible. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So just wait for a few minutes, guys. Some few more students will join. Wait for 2-3 minutes. We'll start after that. Clear?
Okay. Okay.
Today, I will teach you the configuration. We'll start the configurations, right? So to configure the system, you have to type SPRO. Write it down. SPRO. Clear? I'll type SPRO and enter. The moment you will type SPRO and enter, you will find the configuration screen. Okay, where you can start the configuration. Am I clear? So the moment you just go back again, I am telling you that you just go back, you will find SAP EG access screen, and here you have to type the transaction code SPRO 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 SPRO. The moment you will type SPRO and enter, you will getting into configuration screen. Am I clear? Hello, am I clear, guys?
Yes,
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 Raj.
right.
Yes, Raj.
Okay, now coming to IMG. Open IMG. IMG is nothing but your configuration screen. So when when you will get when you will get this information from your project. Suppose you will be joining in a project, and then the manager will tell you that, guys, you have to do the configuration, or you have to configure the system, or you will start the configuration. Then what you are going to do? Start the configuration means what? Where to start, how to start, what you need to start, all those things you need to understand, right? So to start the system source, we are going to start the SAP HR configuration from three structure. Okay, we are going to start the SAP HR configuration from three structure. What are those structure? Write it down. Enterprise structure, personal structure, and organization structure.
Can you repeat once again?
Enterprise structure, personal structure, and organization structure. Okay, now, so when you are going to start enterprise structure or personal structure or organization structure, okay, so that is nothing but that is considered as the basic configuration of SAP HCL. Okay, so the basic configuration of SAP HCM covers three things: enterprise structure, personal structure, and organization structure. Am I clear?
Yes.
Now, coming to enterprise structure. So suppose I am going to configure enterprise structure. So what to do? You have to come to enterprise structure. Check here, enterprise structure is there. You have to come to enterprise structure. After that, you have to follow the configuration path. Okay, after that you have to follow the configuration path, and you can start configuring the system. So the moment I'm telling you you have to follow configuration path, then what you have to follow? So first you have to come to enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, and then define a company. Means you are going to create a company. So company is nothing but your customer detail. So here you are going to create a company. Now, when you are going to do the configuration, if you see, there are two symbols. First one is your documentation. What it is saying, IMG documentation. You want to understand what is company, you will get it as a part of documentation. Am I clear? You will get it as a part of documentation. Okay, guys, give me a moment. Okay, guys. So suppose I want to understand what is a company. Okay, in that case, I can I can go to the documentation and read what is a company. Then, if you see, guys, these nodes are common across the world. So you should understand which node is for which company. Again, I am telling you, these nodes are common across the world. So you should know that which node is there for which company. Sorry, which country. So whether this node is for India or for other countries or what. So to activate this country, you have to go to additional information and click on country assignment. Again, I am telling you, you will go to the additional information tab and click on country assignment. The moment you will click on country assignment, you will find which node is for which country. Am I clear? You will find which node is there for which country. It is showing that valid for all the country. It shows this node is valid for all the countries. Clear? Am I clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Oh, Sanjay joined. Good.
Yes, yes, Daniel.
Good. Now define company. So you execute it. Then the moment you will execute, system will take you inside the database where you are going to do the configurations. Right. So I am going to do the configuration. I'm going to do the configuration means I will go. So I'm going to do the configuration means I will go to new entry and I will start configuration. Suppose I'm going to my customer is Infosys. I put info. I Infosys Limited. So I can put IFL and I can explain here. Infosys Limited, city Bangalore, country India, language English, currency INR. Clear? So this is the short form of Infosys, Infosys Limited. Here you can mention the long text or the complete name of your customer and This is Bangalore, India, English and INR. Clear? Am I clear? Now, yeah, your customer is ready. So now you can save this. Okay. So save it. Now see, data was saved. So you want to search again. Suppose tomorrow you will come and you want to search your company. How to search your company? Execute. From here, how you will search your company? So you will go to the position, type here IF. What is your company name? Either you can search based on Infosys or put IFA. Check. You want to go inside, select and go to the detail. Select and go to the detail. Check. Say Infosys Limited. Am I clear? Am I clear, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
So we will start the configuration. So I will not tell you much configuration today. I will tell you little configuration so that you will understand and you can also start doing the configuration. Okay, fine. Now, so to search anything from this table, you should come to position. Clear? So to search anything from this table, you should come to what? Position. Am I clear?
Yes, Raj.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Go back. Write down. Edit, copy, delete, check company code. Means we are going to create the company code now. So that's what, because of that only edit, delete, check company code. Now we are going to create a company code now. So company code is nothing but it's a unique code. Okay. So company code is nothing but this is a unique code. Okay. So what we'll do, we will do the company code now. So to do the company code, we are again going to do the same. Execute. Click on edit company code data. New entry. Suppose company code is a 4-digit code. It may be alphabetical, it may be numerical, or it may be alphanumericals, right? Suppose my company code, my company is Infosys. I can create a code. Maybe I will create I Infosys, right? INF 9. I can create. It's so it's an alphanumeric code. So this is the code for my company. Clear? Guys, please write it down, this code, so that tomorrow if I want to know my company code, at least I can identify. So please write it down. Okay. Now write down here Infosys Limited. Infosys Limited. City Bangalore. Country India. Currency. Okay. Are you finding a tick mark here, guys? What is this tick mark all about? This tick mark is known as what? This tick mark is known as your mandatory. It shows you have to fill this information here. You can't skip it. If you want to skip it, system will not allow you to save. So it shows you have to maintain this information at any cost. On this screen, if you see what is mandatory, then I can say currency is mandatory because against currency tick mark is there. I'll put INR. Language English. Save it. The moment you will try to save it, then another additional screen will be open. The moment you will save it, another additional screen will open. Then here, can somebody tell me anything is mandatory in the screen?
Country.
Country is mandatory in this screen. Good. Because tick mark is there against the country. So country is India. Enter. Save it. See, my company code is also created and saved. So suppose tomorrow I'll come and I'll search my company code. Then can somebody tell me how can I search?
You have to type code. INF9.
Where to type code?
In search, tick is there, no? In top. You have to search there.
Wrong.
Wrong.
Any further answer? Just now I told you, right?
Here company name is there, no? There we have to type.
Wrong. Go to position. Go to position. There you have to put IMF.
Oh.
So you have to search through position.
Okay.
Okay. So check Infosys Limited. You want to get inside Infosys Limited? Select it. You'll find a lens mark. Click on the lens mark. Fine. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Good. Now, so far I have created a company and I have created a company code. And what I told you, whenever you do the configuration, then always go for, whenever you do the configuration, always go for additional information. Click on country assignment. Once you click on country assignment, then you will come to know that whether this node is applicable for India or for other countries. Am I clear? Now,
Yes, yes.
now, close it. Come to human resource management. In human resource management, we have to create a rest of things. We have to create HR related information. So, the moment I am telling you we are going to create HR related information, then what is that? So, in this case, what we have to do, we have to go to create personal area. What is personal area? Personal area is nothing but the branches. What is personal area? Personal area is nothing but the branches. If Infosys has 10 branch, then we have to create 10 personal areas. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So, the definition of personal area, what I will do, I will put it in the Skype chat so that you can write it later. But this is an interview question. Okay, I'll put it in Skype chat. So I ping it. Check. Okay. Personal area. Okay. Now I will go to the new entry. Click on personal area. I'll go to new entry. Click on personal area. Then I'll go to inside the database. Okay. Here I will create two personal areas. Suppose Infosys has two branches. So then any physical location is nothing but your personal area. Suppose Infosys has two branches, or it may be 20, or it may be 200, or it may be 2000, right? It depends upon the business process. So what I will do, I will put, suppose INFB. B stands for Bangalore branch. So I'll put Bangalore branch. Limited. City, Bangalore. Save it. The moment you will save, again you will find an additional screen where you will find the country as India. Enter. Save. I have created one branch of Infosys which is there in Bangalore. Here, suppose I want to create one more branch. So what I'll do? Inventory. I'll put suppose INFP Pune branch. Check. Now I have created two branches. One is Infosys Bangalore, another one is Infosys Pune. You got it or not it? How to create?
Yes.
Hello. Okay. Karthik, you got it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Padma, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Then coming to personal sub area. Personal sub area is nothing but a department or divisions. Suppose within a suppose in this company there are suppose yeah, under every personal area there are four departments or divisions. Those are nothing but those are known as your personal sub area. Okay, the definition, what I'll do, I'll just put it in the Skype chat. Now execute. Click on create personal sub area. So as I told you, personal sub area should be the part of personal area. Again, I'm telling you, personal sub area is the part of personal area. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to go for creation of personal sub area. You have to go for creation of personal sub area. Right. Now, my first personal sub area is INFB, Bangalore branch, right? Check. Bangalore branch, Infosys Bangalore branch. Suppose there are four divisions of department. What I'll do, I'll just give the serial number 001, 002, 003, 4. HR department, IT department, admin department, finance department. So there are four departments. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So then you save it. There's 1 minute. The same way, guys, the same way I can create the personal sub area for another branch. Double click. Instead of Infosys Bangalore, I'll put Infosys Pune. Enter. Go for new entry. Give the serial number. It may be 4, it may be 40, depends upon the real-time business process. Sales department, marketing department. In Pune also HR department is there. PMO department. Save it. So under Pune, there are 4 divisions or departments. Under uh, Bangalore, there are 4 divisions or departments. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Now, coming to employee group. What is employee group? Employee group is all about the categories of employee, those who are working in our company. The categories of employees or customer, those who are working in the customer. Suppose there are 4 categories of employees. One is permanent, another one is contract, and then maybe trainee, then maybe probations. So these are nothing but these are the employee groups. Clear? So employee group is nothing but the categories of employee, those who are working in the company. What I'll do, copy. I'll put it in the chat. Later you can write it down from the chat itself after the class. I'll execute. See, it may be single digit. I can use either 1 to 9 or I can use A to Z. Am I clear? I can use 1 to 9 or I can use A to Z. Okay, as a symbol or code of employee group. So suppose I will create X, Y, Z. X stands for permanent, Y stands for contract, Z stands for training. It may be just for the example, I just created 3 employee groups. It may be 3 or it may be 4 or it may be 5 or it may be 10. It depends upon the real-time business process. Clear? Am I clear? Save it. Guys, am I clear
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes.
so far?
Yes, yes.
Good. Now, coming to go back. Employee subgroup. Employee subgroup is what? Employee subgroup is nothing but your grades. Suppose you will go to a company. There are different grades of the employee. Top management, lower management, non-management. Or there are grades like consultant grade, trainee grade, associate grade, team lead grade, manager grade. So these are nothing but these are your These are nothing but these are your what? These are nothing but these are your employee subgroups. Execute. Define employee subgroups. So I can create. It may be the code may be alphabeticals. The code may be numericals, or the code may be alphanumericals. Am I clear? Am I clear? So the code is
Yes.
alphabeticals or numericals or alphanumericals. Clear?
Yes.
Now, coming to suppose I'll put 50, 51, 51, 52 grade, 53 grade, 54 grade, 55 grade. Suppose 50 is new associates are there. 51 trainees are there. 52 consultants are there. 53 senior consultant is there. 54 team lead is there. 55 managers are there. So this is nothing but this is your grades. I just created 6 grades, but it may be 60, depend upon the real time business process. Clear? Am I clear, guys? Hello,
Yes,
guys.
sir. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Raj.
Yes, yes.
So what we have created today? We have created employee group, employee subgroup, correct? Personal area, sub area, company code, and company. These 6 things we have configured today. Am I clear? No.
Yes, yes.
Good. So employee subgroup more definition. I will just put it. You can read and write it down from the chat. So that's it for today, guys. As I told you, we will go slow so that you will understand the configuration. So follow the video recordings, and I told you that everyday video please download to your personal folder. Don't keep it here, or else it will be archived.
Sure.
Create
Sure.
a personal folder, download it everyday daily basis. And whatever the notes I have put it here in the chat, please go through this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Raj,
Take care.
one
Bye
more
bye.
thing here.
Thank you. Good
Good
night.
night.
We are doing here samples and all you are doing, no? Same thing we have to follow, or you will one day you will give any like example to do practically.
Whatever I am doing, this is practical only, right?
Yes, we have to practice, right? That and all
Yeah, you have to practice.
even
You
we
have,
have also examples.
yeah, you create your examples now from your own. Suppose you create some other companies, create
Okay.
other branches.
Okay.
Read the documents. Read this document. You'll get the examples. Open
Okay.
your brain. Don't depend on faculty.
Okay. Okay.
I can guide you only, but I can't, spoon feed. So I will teach you how to config. But do the config, explore the technology, think 10 more examples. If you have issues, ask me. I will guide you again. Am I clear?
Yes. 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 Raj.
Thank you very much, guys. Good night. Take care. Bye bye.
Good night, sir.